first YouTube video last month or something. I learnt how to change light switches, and as soon as it went on my Instagram stories, I kept getting so many messages saying, how easy is it? Do you think I can do it? I thought I'd have to get someone in to do it. So, first video, I am going to show you how to change a light switch. So, most houses have got all those white plastic ones. One of the cheaper ways to change it is just spray painting it or painting it. In the house I grew up with my mum, dad and sisters, that's what we always used to do there. But I just love these light switches. This one I got from B&Q. Depending on how old your house is and things like that, just be careful about how deep it is. The ones that sit flush to the wall just don't fit in. We'd have to get an electrician to come and sort of dig out the wall a little bit more because it's not deep enough for the contents of our wall. So I always have to go with a slightly thicker one. All you need though to change a light switch is, I think the screws on these and the ones in the wall are flathead screws, so I've got my flathead screwdriver ready, and then I've also got a tiny screwdriver. This was just one I got from a local hardware store, but it's got all the different pieces in the back of it. But for electrics, whether it's a light fitting you're changing or a light switch, you need like a really tiny flathead screwdriver, and that's just to loosen the little screw that's holding the wires in place. So that is all you need to get started. I won't bore you with live, neutral, earth. Basically, the wires in the wall, the colours of them, should match up to what is inside your casing, and it's really as simple as that. But first of all, we need to go and make sure we turn off the electrics. So our electric box is just inside our front door, and it's generally named with all the different parts of electricity in your house. So ours is like kitchen sockets, downstairs sockets, upstairs lights, so we'll go and switch those off. I will link my Instagram, my blog. I'll probably do a bit more of like the writing side of it, just in case you didn't catch everything in the video, on my blog. And I hope you liked it. I've got loads more plans, so I'll be doing a big video on my budget bathroom makeover. So we currently have a floor to ceiling beige tile bathroom which is going to be getting a major revamp on a major small budget. There's loads of other things: fitting lino flooring, how to change light fittings, but yeah, I will link everything below. Please subscribe if you are interested, and thank you for watching my first YouTube video, and I hope you found it helpful.